guys, how are you doing? We are going to draw a very simple Christmas tree. It would be very easy for kids. Things we are using is a ruler, a PLAYDOH lid, which you can find in everyone's house, few colors. I'm not using a lot of colors, just 3, and a pencil. We would use these stickers for decorating. Also, yeah, I forgot a marker. You can use 1 marker or 2 markers or brush pens. So first, I'm going to take a ruler and draw a center. You can avoid this step, but still, it would be like a guide. So I'm thinking I'd start my Christmas tree from here. Oops. To here. Well, you don't have to be very precise, and I have marked here. This is my starting, this is my end, and now the trunk here. It goes like from here to here. So this is my guide, like this. You can decide how broad your Christmas tree should be. I'm doing a guide like this, and here like this. One with the base. You can avoid this step if you want, because this would be very easy. I'm going to use this PLAYDOH lid and a marker. So what I'm going to do, at the top, at the very top, where my end is, this is my end. From here, I'm going to draw like this. It's not a semicircle, but you can extend. You don't have to be precise. See, I'm not being very precise. We are done with the first. You can go for the next branch and draw as many branches as you like this. Draw randomly, and this is our end. We have to stop here. Same here. Little ups and downs are okay. Let's stop here. Next step is joining everything. From this end, join. Again, using the PLAYDOH lid, just join. The same goes here. So I think any kid can do that. Leave the end here like this. This is our branch, and now the stem. The same goes here. We'll take this PLAYDOH lid and draw. And if you want, you can use again use it. Or you can leave it. Now we are going to color it. Fun. It's two colors, light green, dark green. So you can use randomly, like I'm using randomly like here. I'm using light green. You can rub the pencil marks if you want, otherwise it's fine. And the other is dark green. Let it blend, it doesn't matter. I'm using crayons, you can use brush pens or watercolor or whatever you like. Look how simple is it. Now for the stem, I can again use green and a bit of red. I'm blending it little more. We are done. Now I'm using these stickers to decorate it. Use randomly here, there, or you can cover the lines. Just go at the very top. Just random colors. Here, I'm covering the lines, like the messy lines. So I have covered all my messy lines. Yeah, and we are done. Now if you want, you can draw a few circles like this, here, there. If you don't want, it's totally fine. Our Christmas tree is ready. I'm going to give a little outline. We are all done. Our Christmas tree, super easy. Thank you for watching, and kids, please try it. Thank you.